Thinking about using Replit for your next coding project? You're not alone. The platform's AI-powered vibe coding hype is everywhere, but does it actually deliver for creators, developers, or teams? Let's explore what Replit brings to the table, where it shines, and where it might fall short. Replit promises to turn ideas into real apps fast. No setup, just your browser. But there's a lot packed into that claim. In this video, I'll walk you through its biggest features, recent innovations, pricing changes, and whether Replit is genuinely worth your time and money. At its core, Replit is a browser-based IDE that has evolved into an AI-powered development ecosystem. Originally built for collaborative coding, it's now designed to help anyone, from beginners to seasoned developers, build apps with minimal friction. What's exciting is the newer Replit agent, a tool that turns plain language prompts into functioning applications. The vibe coding concept means you can describe what you want, and Replit handles the setup, coding, and deployment. It's already unlocking solo entrepreneurship. A recent push grew revenue from $10 million to over $100 million in just 6 months. Here's what stands out: browser-based IDE and real-time collaboration. No install needed. Work with others in real time, just like Google Docs. Perfect for teaching or team chores. Browser AI agents and vibe coding. Use natural language to generate apps. With Agent V2, released in February 2025, Replit improved autonomy. The AI can now plan, search, and adapt intelligently. Browser deployment made easy. From static sites to auto-scaling apps or scheduled jobs, everything runs from the browser, auto-adjusting for traffic and resource needs. Microsoft Azure partnership. Replit is now available in the Azure Marketplace and integrates with Azure's VMs, containers, and Postgres-compatible services, all while keeping its existing Google Cloud support intact. Let's talk money, because things have changed. Starter. Free. Limited AI access. 10 public apps. Basic deployments. Great for hobbyists. Core plan. Around $20 month annual billing or $25 month otherwise. Offers unlimited private public apps. Full AI agent access. $25 of monthly credits. And top-tier AI models like GPT-4o and Claude Sonnet 4. Teams. About $35 per user month. Includes everything in core, plus centralized billing, role-based access, private deployments, and $40 AI credits each. Fit-based pricing update. Starting mid-June 2025, billing shifted to effort-based, so you're charged relative to the complexity of your agent request, rather than flat fees. They fixed a glitch in early July that affected a small percentage of users and are offering $10 of free credits as goodwill. What's working well? No local setup. Start coding instantly from any device. AI-powered coding is real. You can build meaningful prototypes or simple apps fast. Great team and deployment features, especially with Azure integration. Where it could lag, fit-based billing can feel unpredictable. Small errors in usage can add up. Not ideal for large production-scale apps without moving to a proper backend later. Occasional price confusion. Some users report variable plan costs. No way. In short, Replit is a breakthrough for rapid prototyping and no-code leaning dev workflows. It's empowering solo creators, educators, and early-stage founders to build apps in hours, not days. But if you're aiming for production-grade architecture, get ready to tweak and expand once you exceed the platform's scope. If this was helpful, show some love with a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what project are you building with Replit next? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.